जावा या सी प्लस प्लस? Which programming language is better for your career? Let's find out. Python. Python is beginner friendly, easy to learn, and widely used in data analytics, data science, AI, and machine learning. If you are a beginner, Python is great choice. Next is C++. It is a fast and powerful and commonly used in system programming, game development, and competitive programming. But yes, it has a steeper learning curve. Next is Java. Java is powerful and widely used for software development, backend systems, and enterprises applications. If you want to become a software developer, Java is a strong option for you. So, which one is better? There is no single winner. Data and AI के लिए पाइथन, सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट के लिए जावा एंड सिस्टम परफॉर्मेंस के लिए सी प्लस प्लस. चूज द लैंग्वेज अकॉर्डिंग टू योर करियर गोल. थैंक यू.